you have a Westinghouse Roku TV and you have an issue where the screen is a black screen, or maybe it's flickering with a black screen, you can basically hear the audio if you're playing like a movie or video. You just have no picture, or it's basically flickering, or it's just a black screen. I got 3 solutions to get most of you up and running by the end of this video. So first thing is first, what we're going to do for the first step here is we're going to go ahead and reboot or restart your Westinghouse Roku TV using a certain key combination on your remote. Now the key combination is going to be this. You have the home button right here, right? 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up once, rewind twice, and then fast forward twice. Let's do it together. Ready? Home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up once, and then rewind twice, fast forward twice. And now we'll go ahead and let the TV do its funny thing here. Now what's going to happen here is going to freeze on the screen for a little bit, and it's going to eventually reboot. This whole process will take about 1 minute. After it boots back up, I want you to go ahead and see if your black screen or flickering black screen is finally fixed. If not, we're going to go to the next step here. Let me just show you. It's still stuck on this screen here. It's going to go ahead and get ready to reboot. Wait 1 second here. It's going to happen. Okay, it just turned off, and now it's going to reboot, and then you'll see the Roku TV logo on there. Just wait till it fully boots back up, and then hopefully your issue is solved. Now, if it's not, we're going to go to step number 2. Okay, so step number 2, okay, so your TV is still not working. The next thing I want you to do is this. Make sure you have the TV on. My TV is on. It's rebooting. Just let it turn back on. Hold on. Okay, so my TV is on. While it's on, I want you to go ahead and pull the power plug out, okay? So my TV is on right now. Let me go ahead and pull this. All right, now I want you to wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I want you to go back in here, plug it in, and then turn the TV on, and then see if your issue is finally resolved. Now, the thing is, if you guys are still down, then I want you to do the same thing again, okay? Well, a little bit different. Have the TV on, find wherever your TV is plugged in, and this time with the TV on, I want you to do the same thing. Pull the plug, but this time, instead of waiting for 30 seconds, I want you to wait for 1 minute. After 1 minute is up, I want you to plug it in, turn on your TV, wait for it to boot back up, and hopefully you guys now have a working TV. If this worked for you, let me know. Give me a thumbs up or a like, and let me know what step worked for you. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. Like I said, most of you guys should have a working TV by the end of this video, so there should be a higher percentage of thumbs up. Good luck, guys.